Larry Bird with his first field goal after missing his first 2 attempts.
It's stolen away, laid out for Jordan. This should be an easy 2. Kaboom!
And that's what they came to see, didn't they? Let's go and roar here in the stadium.
Jordan just rocked the cradle for his 10th point in the bucket.
It's a good play to get to him. A minute gone by. Bird hits, and the Celtics lead. And
well, certainly at least 2 of them are. The shot, fight for the rebound. The Bulls have it. Steve Johnson, Jordan with Tyler to beat.
You talk about getting excited, Bill.
Against the wall now. Can't afford to go down 2-0. With 2 more games coming up. Bird goes for 3.
In events past and present, this one's on number 20. Oh my God! Jordan, who wears 23, just flew at the hole and jammed with 11 seconds to play in the half. A spectacular play.
Oh, it's away from Chicago recently. Bird again.
And has the utmost respect for Bird. He says he's the craftiest guy he's ever played against. He learns something new for his own game every time he plays him.
Bird, with 1 second on the clock, hits a 3-pointer. And the Celtics have their first lead since the opening basket of the ball game.
Michael Jordan misses a shot here. Luke Longley can't get his hands on it.
Yes, he's honest.
Yes, he does say what's on his mind, which can be good and bad. And Larry Bird with 8 points, 4 out of 8 from the field, for 14 for 21 from the line. 16 of 34 for 47%. Chicago controls the tip, and here comes Jordan. And he blew the shot. 8 on the shot clock. Bird for 3. Larry Bird from downtown. He now has 23. He's opened up a 9-point lead. And Bird is fouled.
And we didn't see what actually happened, but players do fake the foul.
He can tie it up here and send the game in overtime. No time remaining. He made his first one. And this is pressure. Overtime in Game 2 of our best-of-5 first-round NBA playoff.